Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In this video, we're gonna discuss about some cryptocurrencies, and right now I feel that they are at a good price to buy, right? So straight away, let's get started with obviously Bitcoin, which is the mother coin of all, right? So even if when you wanna buy a coin, I believe that you need to look at Bitcoins because it's just like the overall market sentiment for cryptos you can understand through Bitcoin. So yeah, you can see this as a good pattern, multiple supports in here before, and right now, if you actually find it that yes, you're getting at a good risk to reward ratio. See, we might not know that it could go up right from after this, or take a support and go on the higher end, or it might break down or come down, right? So we can take our best chances that maybe add 40 to 30 percentage of your quantity, which you normally buy at this price. Your stop loss is not more than 5 percentage to 6 percentage below this trend line, right? So that will be your stop loss. But in case if it breaks down, then you can definitely go short and take your targets up till 15 percentage to 11 percentage at first, and finally at this place at minus 34 percentage. That is your short side trade. But if you want to buy, I believe take 30 percentage in here, and after that it gives a breakout, add in more 20 percentage, then it retraces again like this. It would go up, and it would come and retrace again in here, add in another 30 percentage, and finally add in the rest 20 percentage after it forms a kind of a double bottom formation and it starts to go on the higher end, right? So your mean will be somewhere in between, and your stop loss would be in here, and your targets at first should be up till 53,500 and then 67,000. Before that, you can also have a small target of 58,000, right? So this is how you need to divide in your quantities if you want to go long. Similarly, we've got another charts as well, almost near to the breakout. The first one is Yuan Finance, which is YFI USDT pairs. I'm just gonna tell you all about the USDT pairs only, not the Indian pairs or any other pairs. So let's get on with Yuan Finance. It is almost near the breakout. So if it breaks out and sustains above, first add in 50 percentage quantity according to the candle's size, and otherwise if it is at a very good risk to reward ratio, then you can straight away go all in Yuan Finance, right? Coming on to the next one, Ethereum. You can also check out Ethereum. Basically, it is at a very good support right now. It is continuously taking support multiple times. So, yep, again, Ethereum is a good chart to look at, and your stop loss is not more than 5 to 6 percentage, and your targets at first should be 10 to 11 percentage, and maybe add in only 60 percentage of your quantity up till here, and after that, this is broken on the higher end, then you can definitely, I feel that, achieve to the higher end up till 22 percentage from this place. So overall your mean would be somewhere in between here, and your targets would be around 31 percentage, stop loss would be around 10 percentage, right? So make sure your quantity and your trade management is according to your risk appetite, because obviously crypto, so bigger stop losses. Coming to the last coin I have, which is Maker. Maker, again, it is at a beautiful support. It has also tried to form a double bottom in the smaller time frame of 4 hours time frame. So you can see, yep, this is kind of working great, and your stop loss should not be more than 11 to 13 percentage, and targets would be around 40 percentage near about, right? So that is all for the crypto, guys. Make sure you do analyze it yourself again, and according to the risk to reward you played, and that will be all. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and trade well. Bye bye.